Then Rajasic person is Ragi, has definite expectation. This is how it should happen. Ragi. If it doesn't happen, Harsha Shoka Samannita. Now laughing, now grieving. Harsha Shoka. Now elated, now depressed. Karma Phala Prepsu. Totally obsessed with the result of action. This is what I should get. If he gets it, Lubdha, totally greedy. Doesn't get it, Hinsatmaka, destroys everybody. Asuchi, absolutely inconsiderate, insensitive, impure, destroys himself, destroys others. Rajasikarta. And Tamasikarta is, just think of it, Tamasikarta is, we saw it elaborately, Ayuktaha, doesn't know what he's doing. Prakrutaha, like a baby, like a child, totally stupid, never grown up in life. Like a baby cries for all these little things continuously, a miserable person, stabdha, absolutely arrogant, doesn't recognize greatness anywhere. Shatha, deceptive, Naiskrutigo, destroys other people's livelihood. Alasaha, lazy bone. Vishadi, always grieving. Dirghasutri, postponing is the only business of life. Nothing should be done today. It should be all done tomorrow, day after. But never today, right and now. This is Tamasic Karta. Listen carefully. When you see these three, does anybody come to your mind? Sattvic Karta, Rajasic Karta, Tamasic Karta. We have not classified them. Even though these divisions are there, you have not any time branded people that this is a Sattvic Karta, this one is a Rajasic Karta, there is a Tamasic Karta. There is no such species. If you are the first type, fully aware of yourself, Dhruti Uschaha Samannita, full of courage and enthusiasm, you are named as Sattvic. If you are a person obsessed with the result, frustrated, miserable, Rajasic. If you are a person totally ignorant, grieving, postponing, deceptive, arrogant, such a person, and busy destroying other people's livelihood, such a person is a Tamasic Karta. Now, you don't see people, you have not named anybody Sattvic, Rajasic, Tamasic. Depending on what mood you are doing, what type of mood you have, sometimes a person can be Sattvic, sometimes a person can be Rajasic, sometimes a person can be Tamasic. There is continuously, this literally like a roller coaster ride. Sometimes up, sometimes down. Everybody is like that. But dominantly, a person can be Sattvic or Rajasic or Tamasic. But it all depends upon how you are educated, what type of knowledge you have picked up in life. So Jnanam also, he told 3 different types of knowledge also he talked about. Okay? What is that? That which is Sattvic Jnanam is Sarva Bhuteshu Ekam Bhavam Ayamikshate. Epam Bhava Abhyamikshate. In all the beings he sees oneness, imperishable, indivisible, in unto the apparently divided universe, knows himself as the absolute, knows everybody else as absolute. Sattvic Jnanam. Rajasic is Pruthakttvena. I am different, others are different. There is a division, compartmentalization. I am different, others are different. Naturally, you become self-defense because my interest must be protected. Rajasic Jnana. Achha. Then the Tamasic person is Krishnavat ekasmin karye saktam ahetukam. In that I am the body. Eke, you know what he says? Yattu Krishnavat ekam, ekasmin. We have seen it elaborately, that in one thing he sees everything. My body, and that is the end. Others don't exist. This stone is the God, and that is the God. Or this, there is no form, and that is what it is. Totally fanatic. That type of person, atatvartha, atatatvarthavat alpam, not tatvarthavat, doesn't know what the truth is. Alpam, always miserable, limited perception, right? According to this knowledge, the karta also becomes sattvic, rajasic, tamasic. Now, in all these, you have never you have not brought in the so-called 4 divisions, Brahmana, Vaishya, Kshatriya, Sudra. He did not say Brahmana, Vaishya, Kshatriya, Sudra, Karta. Karta, Sattvic, Rajasic, Tamasic. Jnanam, Sattvic, Rajasic, Tamasic. This is the total division of the whole creation. Meaning, all the possibilities are always there.